Oh boy, more people. Alright, at least it's not the kids playing soccer. What's up with the batteries, man? Jeez. And another person. A little prop wash. Well, the battery pump sacks, so that's good. Whoa. Timer, not even close, man. That's on me. See, I'm barely doing 30% and all of a sudden just warning, and then it bounces back to 7.1. I don't know if it's better to do the single battery voltage, but I don't know if it's probably an average of the two batteries though. And that's the problem, if one of them is going, am I at risk of damaging the one? Or if this is both voltages, this might be better than catching the average. Yeah, probably.